Ndewo ndị ọma na-ege anyị ntị. Ọ ka bụkwa Novi Voice of the East. Ebe anyị na-ewetelu unu ihe gbasara ndị Igbo. Onye mụ na ya nọ tata bụ ọkwụlụ ọkalịsịa dị na nwoke. Nwoke ga-abụ okwu ebe anụ ebe niile a na-abụsa amụ, onye ọbụla na-abụsa amụ, onye nke anyị, onye anyị na ya nọ, onye family. Ọ bụ n'oyibo asị family. Watago mana ọ bụrụ mụ ga-eji aka wee gwu no. Onye anyị na ya nọ, mana onye anyị na ya nọ tata bụ MC Monica. Nwoke ọma nọ.
Thank you, darling.
Ọ dịkwa ka ị na-eli ego go.
No, you need no. I'm just there.
You're just there.
I just na manage you.
So what there? MC Monica nsi ka njọ. Anna dibu si ajụjụ abụ ihe nsi na mma ajụ gị.
Sure.
Imesia ijego mba ofesi ime show jekwa nwere bi na-emebe show. Mana kedu ihe na-eme maọbụ ka ihe na-akpata mgbe ọbụla ibutiti ya na ani anyị, you bring it back to Igbo land.
Aka na adụ mma for na ma nụtakwa n'ụlọ. So ihe ọbụla I mere outside, if you cannot reciprocate it at home, that means you are not successful. So my goal is always to carry our people along and that thing that we are exporting, let's just import it into our own serene and correct what mistake in there and make us say back high name na Ghana maka tomorrow is here.
Yeah, true son of the soil. Tomorrow is here indeed.
Yes, sir.
Ndị na-eme egwu oru mgbe ha chọrọ iti egwu otu a ma ha chi itipụta egwu ma na-enwe ihe ha chi eme ịghọta ha eme rehearsal ha na-akwado na-ejike nnazi ndị comedian kedu ka ha si eme rehearsal?
Na-emekwa rehearsal na-ede ma nta esi ede egwu ka esi ede ihe anyị na-akọ because comedy agafego ịpụta na-ekwugheri so some about this thing we take time to prepare. Like a lecture, when you want to give a lecture, you need to be prepared. Like moi, I'm updated na news na megasi all over Nigeria, so that this guy don't updated because when me came back over here in 1989, but I'm going in January in contact. Ụfọdụ amakwa ihe wụ in contact yet but onwe ike a na-akọzi na comedy na-akọzi ichekwa na egwuregwu ntụrụ Jenụwarị ike tụrụla n'otu edidọtụ ije na bank na-agba ka eweje ego mma chọt that this bank.
Do you know who I am?
Yes, so I don't want to create awareness with our joke before the thing happen.
Okay, one ka njukwu ọzọ ịma ndị egwu na-enwe ndị ha practice egwu maọbụ achi tipụta egwu enwe na-ege si na egwu a adigo qualified ka etinyeze ya kedu onye na-ege
anyị nwekwa ya ndị chọọ ime show onwe ndị ya bụ ndị na-emekwa ihe na-eme ya akpọkọta isi ha na-ekwa perform ha some of ihe chọrọ ikwu onwe nke ha eti because we are all in the field. Onwe nke ha ya say instead of you call like this no ya come go take the correction. It takes a lot of preparation
Planning is something that is really exhausting. Mmadụ na-akwado ihe ọkacha mmemme iguzobe ihe o ihe na-agbakasị arụ ma physically ma mentally. So na-asị ka isi iguzobe all these things and then ekwupụtakwa ka MC Monica Igbo.
Over time can do a master this art of organization because again on our school can be the organize our comedy shows. So over the times I've going hard Ahiri. Yes, so
10 years.
Yes, so I've made my mistake. My mistake. Motivate myself because I think the best way to maneuver all this thing, not only motivate you, we know in our copy. So he made mistake. The mother made mistake, but I can correct you so that if we hang go and make way with full confidence because experience would the best teacher. So he may go some of all these things experience then yet conquer. So the challenge is the carrying a comedy show in Nigeria is financing. So maka ina ndị na-eti egwu na-eme ha chọọ ime so many brands na like support ndị na-eti egwu because but our own I say we don't really have the numbers because it takes a lot of intellectual to not everybody like comedy but everybody love music.
True, so, I can agree.
Yeah, so the numbers has not always favorable to
For comedian.
comedian, but we do the most because a comedian, he called that and we kick but some musician only that song where they get things.
So way back, can
I go, I see DJ, let's go. So
it's really not an
so
easy thing.
we over time we have experience KJ overcome those things. You hear all the email over and over and over again. At the point you get used to disappointment, you get used to the success. Yeah.
Ka dịkwa mma nke a gosi na ọbụrụ taa ikwurugo ka nwoke si akwụ. Okay, Vindaboski. On 26th, enwe ihe na-eguzobe, ị na-esi a lot of things anyị na-abịa ịbịari. So mgbe na-ajụ kedu ife anyị na-atụ anya n'aka gị? Kedu ndị ị na-akpọtala?
Ịma na njem a bido na Lagos this year, every year enwe m ameme my tour with a caption. So this year I did a co-hotel. So I tagged it who is Chisom because for the mother man I'm only Igbo. Tag for the Chinamo Delta for the Chinamo. So again there's if my identity I do go in that I can declare before me phone. So I decided to name my show who is Chisom. Kama wana Chisom kwa. Chisom Kebe. So people begin to ask questions. I needed to address those questions about where I'm coming from, my background, my grassroots. So that was where the name who is Chisom come from. Because in the kind of comedy that I do, it's not just about the show. Anticipation follow, caption of the event follow. Like next year, if I have my own tag for all my
shows.
Yeah, so I always prepare ahead.
Wow.
The way that they present budget, now so me say they present
your own.
Next year. So this week, Chisom Lagos. Organ come and take Abuja because this has an anti show around the geographical zone Nigeria, east, west, north and south. So May, Kende, West, Yoruba, and Lagos. So that the co-hotel, the biggest venue in Nigeria. So Ga Abuja for the northerners, May Transcorp, then Ga Port Harcourt for the south, May so that Jay-Z Obodo London, they may London because I've begun a bit of name with Tagasi feedback from people in diaspora and they buy Nagasi Obodo because some of my YouTube video was hitting 100K and above and then I don't know YouTube. And I YouTube. So when I began to get like 100K views on YouTube, I noticed that man or born the by no. Then I go through the comments for review and ask when are you coming to UK? When are you coming to US? So I'm go to UK. Come go to yeah. So I did the 500 capacity hall and I filled it up in the UK. So Jecha Henny, you know, so become like because last year. Chineke na-agọzi ndị sign so last year n'Enugu to nye some of those ndị a na-ebido signers. I gave out 1 million to one guy like that and the guy name of my home show this year. I was there as some of the guest supporters. Work show me in Lagos na I go hotel. I book a ticket from Enugu perform. So these are some of the things that I personally want to inspire our younger talent. That is not always about the government. You know, you have to push your talent through before government. Like nah, I'm not anything. I'm not talking based on any talk at government. Government provides an enabling environment for us to bring people to visit our state because Enugu is the tourism hub of the southeast. So on the 26th, I'm bringing some of my friends from Warri, from Port Harcourt, from Lagos. Because if I do feel hey, Enugu na entertainment there builds on Enugu, but with what's happening in this December, Enugu is even hotter than Lagos, back to back shows and all this. Everybody wants to visit Enugu because it's bubbling. Yeah. So, but there's an aspect in this dirty December that in Enugu that is not being carried along. That's the comedy industry. So I was talking about it the other day. Government should get involved at least in a December year like this. They're supposed to get one night dedicated to comedy. Into Jerry Kisime show na my Urbana Square. Yeah, Boy. Me kwa ICC. It will be one day now to give comedians a chance. In I feel like any rave festival, no comedy stuff. So I was saying after my show on the door of my show, I will appeal to the government that it should be carried at least a day for comedy for us to celebrate our own comedy industry, because they no go quite not comedy wise. Yeah, so on the 26th it's going to be exceptional. So some people say it will be a last year. Some of our people not in diaspora. That is true, because I've been na December. For the matter where be hang around the age, you know, from burial to nkanka. I need the kwaka. On that yes, na takwa afukwa na ya ha na men the maja posting on Lagos.
No, all this never
no. So that's the goal of all these things. The mad nata Christmas ka afebe eje
nke be eziokwu bụ na ekwesikwala ị na-eme ihe anwụlị maka onye tigide gbagide ọ nakwa abịa mana onwe ihe mmadụ ga-eje ọchịsi ọchị otu a
ma bi ana egwu onwe nke ya wee gbacha hit mewi na lo ndị adụ ihe jiwa
ka kwesi
hit lachis ma body ọtọ
ozu ebe niile mana onye chikwa na ọchịkwa hit anara eme
codedly.
Akuna Fugon codedly. So far so good. 26 adiokwa kajebe
on Friday.
Oh, Friday.
Yes.
Mwasi keka the turnout to see adi. So
turn out to do very well. I quite do silly now because I think I've put in the work from all these stores that I've done. People have been following me along. So people that have followed me from Lagos, even though they cannot come here, and I'm half the transition from year to year. So if I can pull out these 5 shows in a year, that means there is room for improvement. Because next year I'm going to repeat it. I still want to do Europe tour, US tour, because if I've conquered Nigeria, I need to go to outside, the international market, so that by 2027, all this stuff, some of our young boys in Okwenugu. This thing, so
committed. Committed.
Because there are so many people who need to disappointed.
True. One fully female last year. So when can draw MC Monica. 26 dika enweli ihe na-eme na ndụ gị on 26 because show gị ị na-eme nke ime last year 26 nke ime this year 26 enwe ihe na-eme na 26 aya mara maka
December bụ ihe mmemme na akali like I have a lot of booking that I have to decline maka show on Joymen Enugu ka mụ na ndị bai as an Igbo man every December in advance if leave. So I've been done go from January to December. There's a time you need to just mellow down, come and spend time with your people to refresh for the new day. So that 26, I think, is the perfect timing. The Madiji and relax. But for the Ndeba in August, Lagos, I chopped as in like is not as a Christmas, not after Christmas. And for the mothers, we go Mubuje, January, Third, all those things. Kaham week, yeah, because all those periods from 26 to 1st, after 1st, me burial, marriage and all those things. Ejecha hini na alo na mgbede nwe hebe ndị mmadụ na afọ ha eje n'obi anụ. So mwa na achọkwude maka mma arichofu the date so that we can accommodate everybody. Ndị baya na tacha afọ ihe na-eme ha obi anụ.
Are you reshuffling it or you're maintaining it?
I'm trying to discuss with my team.
Maka na nneneze anya nsị ka mmakwalu mo ihe na-eme na 26 maka 26 ka mama.
Like Chome na Lagos last year, May 18. This next year, May 17. So, on he has so na branding. Can they madu like
okay, na May ruwe na have time
and that Marigo na every May na na me show na Lagos. AY every Easter Sunday.
Amagono Yawa, exactly.
Basketball every February. Amagona basketball they show. So all those things, they are small attention to detail and the mother. I did not katatete. Say naturally, you made this year like this. You made this year, and then more hard do he have so all those things are part of branding.
Na Shugi, last year you mentioned something about government supporting comedy, though you've talked about it. Manachomema, has there been any improvement from last year and this year?
I don't think there has been any improvement though, because our governor is working very well in other aspects. But you see this our entertainment aspect. Like I know that this year they invited me for Calabar Carnival and I was paid very well to perform. Like if you look at the Calabar Carnival, their calendar from December 1st to 31st, there's activities. They are trying to bring in entertainers into Calabar to entertain their people, because some of those people now, from January to December, have Jeno Lagos or Jeno Abuja, so on at the one. I'm not talking government. Equal in the na-akwụ tax na ndị na-eme ihe niile obi aṅụrị December ntụ a enwe budget for entertainment. Yes, I have seen millions more billions. At least ụmụazị a na-emegasị show no east. Ọ bụ onwe ha na-eme show na ọ bụgodu like some few regular tickets government are sponsor. Nye ha ewe support ọdọkwa n'izi ime ọgwụ ije organize ihe makwa na ha na-eme adịghị izi ọ bụrụgodu nọ inye discount na hall onwe hall gọọmenti iji ọ bụrụ na na-akwụ 5 million isi na maka na ya na-eme na onye n'Enugu ọ na-eme mmemme a during this festive period now with 70% discount to support all those things then. Even if the money no the environment, some of all these incentives yes can still make us want to be because with my own money. With my own money. And I'm not even after the profit. I just want people to be carried along, people from my side to know that these guys save and our own.
But you're really doing well.
So I'm appealing to the government. There should be budget. This 2026 budget made this squeeze out some for entertainment.
Yes. Entertainment, comedy to be precise.
Comedy, my industry, they know we are not carried along. Look at this December, last year December, even the roadblock, there is no room for comedy.
Comedians.
Comedy night. We go say we go. Yeah, I've been to perform for where the Edo State deputy governors there. I perform for River State, perform for Delta State. Our government, there is a time. The church, that no government. There is supposed to be a day where all the government official comedy night with the governor.
Yeah, it's true. I can agree.
Everybody.
And then when we couldn't batch out what you wait to work and
yes. Everybody they carried along. One of my colleagues made show in Lagos. The governor self so may advert. Yes, may advert. In the month we are ready for 30 December. We are governor so we make comedy skit. Show. Yes, so some of all those things we should not be uptight. Of course, also infrastructure and schools and all these things. Entertainment.
They're quite important.
We should be carrying along because this entertainment, the way they say, I want to put the ambassadors of the state. Yes, because sometimes only bank cannot even cross the shores of Enugu, but all those Fino them see Enugu. How I will be the ambassador? Fino be Enugu. Kamago de Befino Siweto. Yes, Kebonya Siweto. And this our Super Eagle goalkeeper, Nechebona, Italy. Madoko Koyo. Those are some of the things entertainment does.
True,
yes, we are the ambassadors of the state. If we market it well, if we are happy, if I go back, say, if I go back to Lagos and say, I do my show, governor, the man say Enugu State Governor self
na abiakwa
all these things so that we feel every aspect we feel carried along. So,
biko ndị gọọmenti unu ga-agba mbọ biko maka na a na-achị n'ọchị ya obi dị anyị mma ya na-akwụnya bụ tax maka onye obi adịrọ m ije na akaụntụ ya like this next mba na-akpọtụ ebe niile. You've organized a lot of shows.
Yeah.
And we're all like within here and outside. So what is success for you after a show? How do you define success?
I think when my fans they are satisfied, I'm not really about the money. I'm about the feedback from the show, the organization. I love the video production. I love the lighting. I love the red carpet. The beauty of a show is in the anticipation. You got to go. But I've attended shows, different shows that other people organize. I've noticed that people pay more attention to the aesthetics more than the detailing. Yes, because somebody might come to your show to just laugh, but when they are coming from the entrance, you see the branding, the attention. Do you know that some of the shows that we do in a particular year, we first use that the color of the year na green. You look at all the publicity material, you notice that everything na green.
Like I think, yes, I think I've noticed something like that.
You come see some people na yellow, actually make sure not yellow for this thing. So all those things, they bring the ambience before even the performance. Before the performance on stage, if everything on point.
True.
Like moi, make sure I spend the money in production, so that after the show, if you have video of the performance, for event. Like the brand they support to get your promote. And I watch because videos travel more.
More than even
this. It's not really about
it's true.
Video you post it online, you don't know where the video will get to. Yes, so the show organizers in the East, I think they know they pay attention to that part. Now my chairman, Odoguna Sushi, Odoguna, at the end of the day, you don't have anything to post, to show people. And when you begin to create all these videos, brands that want to come into Enugu, that want to do activation, will say, this is a nice platform for us to
come and
promote our business. Yes. So some of all these things, I think they need to
look into it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a bonus question. So I'm going to ask you, Christmas in the East, what does it really mean to you?
Christmas in the East, all the I connect with my family people. You know, yeah, I don't really like spending Christmas. I have a lot of shows in Lagos I was supposed to perform, but I said that this period is family time. You know, we cannot always come back every time. But this December, you meet some people that you have not met before, because it's not everybody that has the opportunity to come back. Or we might not even see. When dine on Lagos from year to year, we know. But up na East here, it's easier.
Yes,
because,
they call one.
Yes, and when me keep be na island, only be na first tag. Nyamuto when kissing is traffic is there, but up on I here. But now we're in Lagos, we know VC. So it's that time of the year. I put on a lamp, but I put the name of ma. And not from that him of my marker is senior hacker. That's the essence of this Christmas. I think that Igbo people have that love and caution of coming back now. Christmas going on at the when the one gonna wait January 3rd. I have to serious.
So any fun moments, like from any memory
from Christmas?
Yes.
All those going to the stream.
Everybody's saying going to the stream.
All those football, village football, like my village now, issues of I know about tournament every Christmas. Since support my part of my prayer, and I one day can go and sponsor the football tournament. This is the like bringing everybody together in unity, so that we know how to be of importance to our immediate community and also contribute our quota to the betterment of Enugu State at large to commensurate with what our governor is doing.
True.
You know? So.
Exactly. Kebezo Kubuna tomorrow is here. So this is the final question I have for you. So I want you to tell people, because all nekwe ihun game expert na this upcoming show. Nekwe kogisi wega, nekwe tickets, where they are going to get it, how they are going to get it. So
okay, good. Thank you so much for all the love. I see some comments from this place. I'm from Enugu, but once they see that you're from Enugu, there is this love. This one is our own. So that's why I always want to connect with our people. Now I'm going to do my show. But that is so that I'll have opportunity to take pictures with all those people. Monica, I'm your fan. I'm happy that you're from Enugu. You're making us proud. So on the 26th, the tickets are affordable, 5K for regular, 5K. You know. Then VIP is 20K. Table for 10. Gold table is 2 million, 10 people. Then sponsorship table is 3 million for 10 people too. The ticket is sold at the venue.
Okay, at the venue. At
the venue. Then intro table. You can call 07069551276 for the table. You book your table. It's going to be fun. There are a lot of amazing comedians that will be joining me that will be in the headline. And like what is happening in Enugu is what I'm going to talk about. You know, and keep your emotions at home. About hey, this boy in one, this boy in one. These are some of the things. Because the Madam comedy is a means of expressing what's happening in the society.
Equal,
yes, because then when our governor provides CNG buses, bad CNG buses, put on a stage.
Notes.
Stage. Some of all these things, comedians, we are social commenters.
Sure.
We comment on issues that everybody is scared to talk about. We talk about it.
It's just, I'm joking.
But it's very important.
True.
We lend our voice as comedians, not just to make people laugh, but our jokes should be channeled towards what's happening in the society, to lend our voice even down to the federal government, what you don't like. You talk that's the beauty of the craft. Not be to come to tell us imaginative story. One guy swallow bottle, this one. So like I think comedians now should talk about this income tax to people. You know, you get some people, good news, cha-cha. Yes, I had good news. I heard so some of all these things, I think it's going to be interesting. All you just need to do is be in a base landmark. The red carpet is 7 p.m. 8 o'clock events start.
Sure. Diovane Ganyin, Tina Fugoka, Mona MC Monica Siwe, Balia Okanke Tata. MC Monica is not just a man named a comedy, or master good the whole thing. Okay, Jogoliaka school graduate, Ejida Sambodia. So Buni Noro na 26 na the land base mark. Amakwame bega no makamwa anom dear life. Can we keep chip godinya bochi? Kwadote maka next year. So eba kaina piachi no bosinke tata. So kemesiano.